tired of that old pesky power drill giving out on you? Are you tired of having your hand cramping on you while you're cleaning the floors?
Yes. Yes. What can I do?
Hi, I'm William Salisbury, and today I'm here bringing you the Ryobi Swiss Army Drill. The Ryobi Swiss Army Drill has a battery pack which will make it last longer. Not only that, but it will drill faster, stronger, and more efficiently. Oh wait, there's more! Not only do you drill holes, it can even clean your floors! And now you can just wipe it away. If you call within the next 10 minutes, we'll throw in the Ryobi in the circular saw for free! It's only 10 easy payments of $19.99 per month. Operators are standing by, and shipping and handling are extra.
Yes, thank you, Ryobi.
Ryobi Swiss Army Drill not included for kids. Batteries not included.